आप सभी का स्वागत करते हुए हम आपके साथ इस पल को साझा करने के लिए तत्पर है। तिलक लगाना यह हमारी भारतीय संस्कृति की पहचान है, जो आदर, प्रेम और सम्मान का प्रतीक है। हमारे स्नेही छात्र आज के अतिथियों का हार्दिक स्वागत तिलक लगाकर कर रहे हैं और सभी के आशीर्वाद की कामना करते हैं।
I request the parents to please rise to welcome our distinguished guest of today's program. Please welcome them with a huge round. नमः प्रकाशते देवी सर्वज्ञे सर्वशक्तिमन् आत्मज्योतिरुचिरेण दीपं प्रज्वलयाम्यहम्. As the lamp is lit, may its radiance illuminate our heart and mind, guiding us towards new achievements and triumph in all our endeavors. Let the sacred light mark the beginning of our annual day celebration. Let us stand together and witness this beautiful tradition.
May I kindly invite our esteemed chief guest and all respected dignitaries to come forward and light the ceremonial lamp.
As embark on this beautiful journey today, let us invoke the blessings of the divine.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता. सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा.
Lighting the lamp is profound Indian tradition which symbolizes the showering of knowledge, wisdom and prosperity. It dispels the darkness and ignorance.
Good evening to everyone, honorable chief guest, esteemed management, invited guest, the galaxy of intellectuals and dear parents. How different is this evening? You will soon discover as the colors of this cultural feast unfold.
Here we are all together as a family to mark another landmark of success in the history of our school. We are going to celebrate the 22nd annual day with the theme Kalantar.
I, Ms. Shreya Shri Krishna Khalse,
And I, Ms. Apeksha Anil Magre,
welcome you all on behalf of the entire PSBA family. The theme Kalantar is a concept of vibrating creativity, imagination and acts that takes you through the evolution of ages.
This is the platform to secure our vision of development through different ages.
Today, we are thrilled enough to take you through the fascinating changes that have transformed our lifestyle.
Let us start with the fundamentals of our life. Can you tell me what was the most primitive occupation of human beings?
Indeed, agriculture is a universal truth, and it was the most basic need for human settlement.
To unfold today's event, we are going to take you through the fascinating stages of agricultural evolution, a story that began thousands of years ago and continues to shape today's world.
Sure, Apeksha, imagine this. Over thousands of years ago, our ancestors discovered the magic of planting seeds, which gave rise to the Neolithic Revolution, which transformed humans from nomads to settlers.
Obviously, this settlement gave birth to different occupations, but agriculture remained the backbone of the economy of any state.
With the increased demand for agricultural products, farmers started growing more diverse types of crops to fulfill the necessity of time.
Yes, this settlement gave birth to different communities, villages, and cities. Agriculture became the foundation of the society.
The Industrial Revolution transformed agriculture with machines like tractors and harvesters, boosting efficiency. It also advanced floriculture, horticulture, sericulture, and terrace farming in limited space.
India has also made significant progress in farming, adopting new technologies, using drones, satellite imaging, sensor technologies to optimize crop growth, detect pests and diseases, and reduce chemical usage.
But with this growth came challenges like soil degradation, water pollution, food scarcity, etc. That's when science stepped in, bringing us green revolution technologies, fertilizers, etc.
To add on, nowadays we can see that most of the farmers are using high-yielding variety, that is HYV seeds, and modern methods of irrigation such as sprinkle, drip irrigation, and pot irrigation.
These methods also prevented water loss in a sustainable way.
That's true, Shreya, but amidst all this progress, let's not forget the importance of sustainable farming practices. Preserving nature while feeding the world is the need of the hour.
Rightly said, Apeksha. And now, as we honor this agricultural evolution, we also take a moment to thank the real heroes, the farmers whose endless effort ensures we never go hungry.
Well, summed up, to celebrate this remarkable journey, let us welcome with a big round of applause the students of Standard 9th Maurya, who are going to showcase a beautiful depiction of agricultural evolution through dance, highlighting farmers' affection for his land, his devoted farming practices, his hope for rain, and his love for the motherland.
Hold your breath and get ready to witness this mesmerizing performance.
ही काळी आई धन धान्य देई ही काळी आई धन धान्य देई
जोडते मनाची नाती आमची माती
आमची माणसं आमची माती आमची माणसं आमची माती आमची माणसं आमची माती आमची माणसं आमची माती आमची माणसं नाचते ढग ढोल वाजवितो ढोल वाजवितो ढग ढोल वाजवितो
मातीत मातीत तिफन चालते
तिफन चालते तिफन चालते तरी वर तरी येती माती कस्तुरीच्या सुवासानं भूल जीवाला पडते,
फुल जीवाला पडते, वाट राघूची पाहते,
राघूची पण हारतो, मैना वाटुली पाहते.
काळ्या मातीत मातीत टिफन चालते,
टिफन चालते, टिफन चालते.
सपनों की छाँव में मेरे गांव के बढ़ते जाए कदम, लहराए फसल हुंकार भरे जब खेत में टप हरदम. सपनों की छाँव में मेरे गांव के बढ़ते जाए कदम, लहराए फसल हुंकार भरे जब खेत में टप हरदम. दो हाथ करते हैं जो मिट्टी से लड़ते हैं जो, इस देश के लाल है हम, हाँ हाँ हम है टप हरदम, तन मन से है हम देश के किसान. इस देश के लाल है हम, हाँ हाँ हम है टप हरदम, तन मन से है हम देश के किसान. अपनी बात है सबसे निराली, हम लाते हैं हरियाली, हमसे ही तो है सारा हिंदुस्तान. घनन घन घनन 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 गिर गिर आए बदरा, घन घन घोर कार छाए बदरा, धमक धमक गूंजे बदरा के डंके, चमक चमक देखो बिजुरियां चमके. मन धड़काए बदरवा, मन धड़काए बदरवा, मन धड़काए बदरवा.
काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ,
काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ. बिजली की तलवार नहीं बूंदों के बाण चलाओ. मेघा छाए बरखा लाए,
गिर गिर आए, गिर के आए, कहे ये मन मचल मचल, नहीं चल संभल संभल.
गए दिन बदल तू घर से निकल, बरसने वाला अब अमृत जल.
मेहनत से सींच के मिट्टी को खेतों के नाम जवानी लिखी, खलिहानों में रौनक भर कर किसान ने अपनी कहानी लिखी. एक डोर है वो कुर्बानी की, उम्मीद उन्हीं से रोशन है, अरने वाले से रिश्ता उसका, घर में उसी से पोषण है.
हर दिन है सुनहरा, जिसका हर दिल में बसेरा, जिसका बस नाम है काफी, ऐसा बस देश है मेरा. हाँ, जिसकी मिट्टी को सलामी देता है उजला सवेरा, जिसका बस नाम है काफी, ऐसा बस देश है मेरा. खेतों से सरहद तक, गांव शहर सब बोले एक बोल रे, मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती, ओ मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती, ओ मेरे देश की धरती।
Performance has been nothing short of outstanding. You have truly set a benchmark with your performance.
Good evening, everyone. I, Shreya Jagtap.
And I, Arnav Ponirkar. Education is not the filling of a pot, but the lighting of a fire. Let us blend the best of ancient and modern education to shape brighter tomorrow.
Gurukul is one of the ancient systems of education. This system includes residential schools run by sages or teachers in forest hermitages.
It emphasized holistic development, including intellectual, physical, emotional, and spiritual growth. The system thrived in a residential setting where students, known as a Shishya, live with their teacher or a guru and learn through practical experiences and close mentorship.
In Gurukul, subjects taught were Vedas, scriptures, mathematics, science, astronomy, philosophy, and arts. Students lived at Guru irrespective of the social background and treated equally. This created a strong bond between Guru and Shishyas.
The education system has come a long way from the ancient Gurukuls and chalkboards to modern classrooms equipped with smart boards and tablets.
But while the methods have evolved, the purpose remains constant: to empower individuals with knowledge and skills to thrive in the world.
Imagine a world where learning knows no boundaries, where education is not just about books and tests, but about unlocking every individual's unique potential.
Welcome to the future of education. In future, classrooms will no longer be confined to four walls. With virtual reality, students can step into the shoes of an archaeologist exploring ancient ruins or a scientist walking on Mars. Learning will become an immersive experience.
The future of education is bright, inclusive, and transformative. It's a future where every learner has the opportunity to shine. Together, let's build this future, because education is the key to a better tomorrow. Future education will prioritize inclusivity, adaptability, and relevance to prepare learners for a rapidly changing world. Technology will play a central role, but human creativity, ethics, and collaboration will remain crucial.
Now fasten your seatbelts for a journey through time in order to know about evolution of education system in India. So let's welcome students of 8th standard for the performance.
सब कह रहे हैं आदि योगी, योग के स्पर्श से अब योग में करना है तन मन। सांस शाश्वत सनन सननन, प्राण गुंजन धनन धननन, उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी।
हमें लिखना है, पढ़ना है, आगे ही बढ़ना है, खाते हैं हम ये कसम।
दन दोम दन दोम दन दोम दन दोम दन दोम दन दोम दन दोम।
जो ज्ञान का रास्ता है, शिक्षा का रास्ता है, उसी पे चलेंगे हम।
सत्य क्या है ये सुनो, अपने मन में जान लो।
Lose control. Lose control. I'm a rebel. I'm a rebel. ना कोई पढ़ने वाला, ना कोई सीखने वाला, ना कोई पढ़ने वाला, ना कोई सीखने वाला। अपनी तो पाठशाला मस्ती की पाठशाला, अपनी तो पाठशाला मस्ती की पाठशाला। Lose control.
हम दीप शिक्षा के हैं, जगमगाएंगे, जगमगाएंगे जग में। जितने अंधेरे भी हैं, हम मिटाएंगे, हम मिटाएंगे जग में।
भेजा निचोड़े जो सारे सवाल, एक एक करके ढूंढ के निकाल। काहे न सुलझेंगे इनकी मजाल, नोच के दिखा दे बाल बेनिहाल। सवालों के बिना ही जिंदगी है डार्क, बल्ब की तरह जला दे क्वेश्चन मार्क, क्वेश्चन
है ठान लिया हमने, सूरज सा जलना है, सपनों को दो परवाज़ अगर उड़ने की तमन्ना